Okay, so you want to type faster. No, you don't want to type faster. You want to code faster. So there's a difference. So typing, to type, what you need to do is you need to learn something called touch typing, which means you can type without actually looking at your keyboard. Now that's something for you to practice. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can code faster. Now, coding faster has a trick. Yes. So you need to use a proper editor, and the proper editor in this case is Vim. Let's look at how that makes any difference. Okay, this is where I'm not using Vim. So I'm just using plain VS Code without any Vim extension. So if you look at this, now when I'm typing now, my hands, they move towards the arrow key most of the time. See, it's always moving towards the arrow key because there's no other good way to navigate, right? I mean, arrow keys, these are the way how you would navigate your code, right? Well, not really. Not if you use Vim. Let us see. Okay, so now I've started using Vim, and now you see that my hands, they never go towards the arrow keys. They don't need to go towards the arrow key because I can navigate from where I type. And that's the best part about Vim. Now, the other thing that you notice is that my left finger goes towards the escape key a lot. And that's something that comes with Vim. So, yeah, that's there. But this is how you code faster. Another thing for you to understand is that to code faster, you need to learn snippets. Now, snippets are something that your IDE that you use provides you with. So learn these snippets and then master them to code faster. Let me show you an example. Okay, so let me show you an example of using IntelliSense. So I get IntelliSense, and this is actually also a snippet. So if I just do STLESS and press enter, then that means it's going to generate all of this boilerplate code for me. That means I don't need to write all of this code by hand, right? And because I'm using Vim as well, I can do some shortcuts from Vim to just clear out text, just like that. And then now I can simply type this. So all I did was type out a word, and now I have all of this code related with that uh, widget, which is pretty cool. And you don't quite see that. Now look, there's another IntelliSense. See, I'm just typing 4 words, and it just auto suggests me all of this. This is the power of extension. This is what will make you code faster. See, I don't need to do all of this. The IntelliSense does it for me. See, how cool is that? Now, it might not feel like much, but just by using Vim and leveraging IntelliSense, your coding is going to be super fast. You just need to practice now.